Champion trainer Anthony Nunes recorded his fourth Jamaica Oaks victory, while jockey Dane Nelson scored his second as Above and Beyond won the 81st running of the event for native-bred 3-year-old fillies over 10 furlongs at Caymanas Park on Saturday. Denise Walters was at the track.
1,000 guineas winner Above and Beyond was made to work hard by rival Another Affair in the two-turn contest. Brilliantly ridden by Robert Halidine, Another Affair had the field chasing from she hit the headlines, and it took Dane Nelson the last half furlong to catch up and to let Above and Beyond's stamina carry her over the line.
Under a powerful ride as they leave the 3-2 length separates them now. A gap opens up to Glock, moving best of the rest. Panzer is backed out into fourth with a long way to go. As they're coming into the lane, it is Another Affair in the hands of Robert Halidine, stepping out wide. Above and Beyond is now asked to get going by Dane Nelson, putting her to the left-hand stick. Another Affair shows grit and determination, battling as they come to the furlong pole. Above and Beyond is there. Glock now taking aim at them, but it's Another Affair, Above and Beyond. These two matching strides with a 16th to run. Robert Halidine and Another Affair now giving way to Above and Beyond, and Dane Nelson, they win the Oaks. From Another Affair, Glock, Attorney General in a close thing with Sen City.
Above and Beyond won in 2 minutes 6 4/5 by half length, and the trainer Anthony Nunes says he's not yet sure if she'll be running in the St. Leger in September.
As I just said a while ago, I was walking out here and in my mind I'm going 4 weeks time, 10 furlongs again against Wow and Mahogany. Do I want to go there? Do I want to run somewhere else in an easier spot and then come in the 12 furlong? I'm going to have to run against them in the Derby more than likely. It's something that I'm going to have to really think about, and this is really a time, I know it sometimes sounds cliches, but this is a time now where she's going to have to tell me, you know what, I'm willing to run back in 4 weeks going 10 furlongs, and I'm just going to have to look out for that sign from her.
Meanwhile, Tuna Ciliata ended 1-2 favourite Wow's 11-race unbeaten streak as he outclassed his rivals under a ride from Omar Walker in the co-feature Bunny Blue Flag Trophy, going over the Circular 9 course.
Ciliata on that lead. Wow now sent in chase by Robert Halidine as they arrive at the 5/16th. It is Tuna Ciliata turning for home in the Bunny Blue Flag. Wow now taken down toward the rail. They're in the last quarter. Tuna Ciliata. Wow now is asked to quicken up and has to be switched to the outside. Tuna Ciliata under a smart ride continues to lead up a furlong to run. Wow is toiling and working hard as Tuna Ciliata has stretched the lead now to 3 lengths. It's Tuna Ciliata and Omar Walker. Wow not able to contend with Tuna Ciliata, who wins the Bonnie Blue Flag Trophy by 4. Wow is second. Uncle Vinny in a photograph with On the Rail Princess Ava.
Tuna Ciliata won by 5 lengths in 1 minute 53 3/5, and his connections admit that he's improved and is arguably the best horse in the island.
Well, I think he has to be up there. It's, as I said, She's a Man Eater is retired. Stranger Danger is still around, but unfortunately he's not running at the moment. So, I think he just kind of fell into that spot, but well deserved. He is a nice horse. He deserves all the accolades he's getting now.
I am Denise Walters reporting from Caymanas Park for TVJ Sports.